Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve this problem, which is of September daily Leetcode challenge. This is combination sum 4. So it is a variation of one of the problem combination sum. So we are given an array of distinct integers nums and a target integer target, and we have to return the total number of possible combinations that add up to the target, right? So we have to find all the possible combination which sums up to the target, right? So in this example we are given a nums which is 1 2 3, and we have a target equals 4. So we have to find all the possible combinations, and the possible combinations are 1 1 1. So there is a catch that you can select one element as many as you can, so that you get a possible combination, right? So since in this we have picked one element 4 times, right, to make sure that it will sums up to the target value, right? So we are allowed to choose element as many times as we can, right? So whenever we heard the, or you can say read the problem statement, if it is required to return the number of possible combinations, all the possible combinations, right? So first thing which comes in my mind is recursion, right? So we can apply recursion over here. So now we have to find that in recursion we need to firstly understand what is the changing parameter which keeps on changing every time, right? So in this question we have the changing parameter is target, which keeps on changing. Why I am saying this? Because since this is nums, right, if we pick this element, right, so now my approach is to find the elements which sums up to give the value of target equals 3, because I have selected this. Now my target reduces to 4 minus 1, which is 3, and it keeps on changing until our target will be at zeroth, and like if our target equals 0, then we will reach the possible combination. If our target will fall in negative axis, like if our target becomes negative, so we can say that this is not the possible combination and we will return 0 over here, right? So we will discuss the base case as well. So now firstly we will make a helper function. So what are the parameters in this helper function? One of the parameter is we have to add this nums, and the other parameter is target, right? And we will return this helper nums comma target. So as we discussed, firstly in recursion we have to write the base case, right? So the base case I discussed that whether the target will be less than 0. In that case we'll return simply 0, because this is not the possible combinations, right? So we will not consider that in our total number of possible combination. And if our target equals 0, then we will reach the one of the possible combination, we will return this one, right? After that what we have to do is, so we have to keep on like calculating for every index, right? So we'll start with this index and we'll find all the possible combination. After that we will jump over this index and try to find all the possible combination which starts with 2, right? After that what we are doing at 3 second index, we'll try to find the possible combination which starts with 3, right? So as I can see that we can use for loop over here, 0 less than nums dot size, right? Since we have to calculate for all the index and then return. So the final answer, or you can say result, equals 0. We'll declare it with the 0 value. After that what we are doing, we will calculate for all the all index and then return this result, right? So what we have to put over here, so we will again call this helper function, right? And we will pass nums comma target minus nums of I, right? So if we consider this, so target will reduce to target minus nums of I. After that, this will again call helper function. It will check for again whether now our after this call our target will decrease to 3. Now we will again start with this and we will check whether I can find any possible combination. After that, for each index we will return this answer and we will add up to the result, and then we will simply return this answer. Now check this code whether it is working fine or not. So yeah, it is completely working fine, and if we will submit it, it will cause a TLE because this is not the optimized approach, right? So yeah, this is giving us a time limit exceed. So now our main concern is to memorize the solution, right? So for this, what we can do is we will simply make a vector int dp which is of size target plus 1. Why I am doing this target plus 1? Because if we put this only target, then I have to find for dp of like the index range is varies from 0 to target minus 1 index. But since for I also want to check for the target value and I want that key, I'll save this answer on the target index variable, right? So we'll put extra one size for that. After that, I'll pass it over here and we'll also add it vector int dp. After that, also we will initially put all the values of this dp table as -1, and if we found any dp of target not equal to minus, it means we have pre-calculated it, so we don't have to calculate it again. So we'll simply return from here. After that, for we have to pass dp over here, and at the end we have to simply put this result into dp of target, right? So that's it. I hope this will work. So yeah, it is completely working fine. So yeah, now our solution is accepted. So also, if we want to make it more optimized, so you can use tabulation for that. So let me handle this. Let me just comment this out. So we'll comment this out. After that, what we are going to do is tabulation method vector of int dp target plus 1 comma 0. We'll initialize it with the 0 value. After that, we'll make sure that dp of 0 will be 1. After that, we will keep on building the solution from starting. We'll simply copy this. After that, now we have to firstly ensure that this I equals 0 will start from I equal 1, and this loop will runs from target equal 1 to till the target value, right? So we'll keep on calculating for each target value and then you can just store it, right? After that, this is I plus plus. Let's take it as tar for better understanding. We'll declare it as TAR, which is abbreviation of target. So after this, we have to calculate for each index, right? 0 I less than nums dot size I plus plus. After that, I have to wait a second. For each target, will declare answer equals 0. After that, answer will be plus equals dp of tar, not target, because it is the range from 1 to the target value. But at any iteration of this loop, we have some target, right? So we have to calculate for this target only, and keeps on updating on the dp table, and then return finally the dp of target, right? So we'll put it over here, answer plus equals dp of tar minus nums of I, right? And that's it, I guess. After that, we'll put dp of tar. So now we'll do is dp of tar equals answer, and after that, at end of this loop, we will return the dp of target. So I guess it will work fine. Okay. I plus plus. Okay, so we have to do this. So it is overflowing, right? So what we can do in this case, we will simply modulo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I guess it will work fine. No, it is not working fine. Why is this so? Tar of minus nums of I. Okay, so we have to put this case over here, that maybe that's tar minus nums of I less than 0, right? For that case, we'll simply continue. We'll continue, we'll break it over here. Yeah, one thing I would like to add, if this is the case, that we have to sort this array. Sort nums dot begin. This is the case which I think it will fail. That's why I was telling you that I need to add some more implementation in this code. So yeah, now it will work fine. So integer overflow, I have done this, right? Why did this? Now it is giving us an integer overflow, right? So what we can do is, we will make sure that it will also long. For say first, I have put this long everywhere. Now test this solution. Maybe now it will work fine. Yeah, it is working now completely fine. will submit this solution, and I guess yeah, it is completely correct. And so this is the approach for solving this problem, from recursion to memorization and then to tabulation method. So yeah, if you find this approach or video helpful, please make sure that you will like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.